Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to be learning how to make an article app. This app shows us so many concepts, especially for the beginners of the events and the boolean conditions and more that. Okay. So first of all, you're going to be learning about the radio button in the element concept. Okay. So how you can use a radio button, this is quite simple. Okay, so first of all, I have chosen my theme. The name of this app is Articale App. The theme is Crushed Velvet, and the screen name is Main Screen. Okay, and I have made this backdrop a bit light because I don't like dark color. Okay, so that's why I have made the dark. Okay, or this is the dark you can see. Okay. So I'm going to be making it light because I like the light color. Okay, you can also choose it by your own way. Okay, not choosing the theme here. Okay, so now what are you going to be doing? You're going to be picking two labels. First one is the Articale App label. This is, you can rename it as a app label. App label. Okay, from in ID area. But I'm not using this label, so that's why I'm not going to be renaming its ID to waste my time. Okay, so you can see its explanation. Okay, now let's come to another label, that is our cookie label. Okay, this is our cookie label. I have chosen here in this cookie from my from the keyboard on my screen. Okay, at the, you could say at the down right side, you will find the keyboard. Okay, in your laptop. Okay, so I have chosen from there a cookie, and this is the radio button. Okay, you just have to make the radio button drag, make its size bigger, and make its ID bigger. No, sorry, make its ID correct. Okay, so the idea of this is this let's say radio button is radio cook. It's a radio. Its ID is radio cookie actually, but I have written here cook. Okay. So now I'm going to be picking another label. The simple thing is that I duplicate the first label that I have. That is the cookie one. So that I can have it equally. And now I'm going to be writing here for example, cake. Cake is a simple recipe. So I'm just going to be adding, let me show you. Yeah, this is a keyboard, and now I'm going to be choosing cake. Where's the cake? Yeah, this is a cake. And I'm going to be duplicating the radio button that I've done. Okay, duplicate and make its IDs as radio, you could say cake. Okay, and then you have to make it down next to cake label. Okay, then you have to duplicate the cake label again, duplicate, and make it as of your own choice, like what you know the best in cooking. So the sandwich, and then I'm going to be making it as sandwich. Where's the sandwich? Yeah, this is a sandwich. Oops. Perfect. Then I'm going to be making the radio button. I'm going to be duplicating the radio button and making it as radio sand. I'm making it a radio sand of the sandwich, okay, for a small wording, okay. You can also write sandwich for your own ease, okay, but I'm writing sand, okay, because because I know I'm popular in this, that's why. Now it's perfect. Now we're going to be doing the next screen, okay, so put the screen element here, and then I'm going to be using another one. Color, for example, this one. Then you're going to be changing its ID as screen cookie. And then you're going to be writing your recipe in the label form, okay? For example, I'm writing it in the label here, making it big like this. And I want it a border radius like 30 or like that. Yeah, 30 is the perfect, you could say, border radius that I know. And then in this label, you are going to be writing your ingredients. Ingredients, which are what you could say, cookies, simple ingredients, that is flour, all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour, butter, chocolate chips, flour, butter, chocolate chips, and sugar. And what else? I think these are enough. And salt, yes, salt. And salt. That's it, and you have to make it bigger. That's it. Now we're going to be making a button at the bottom, center button, and make it as okay. How about we make an image? Okay, I'm going to be trying an image. Okay, that is in the image area. make it smaller. At the top left, choose an image in the icons. So in the icons area, you can find, I think, back arrow, back arrow, back arrow. Yeah, this is the back arrow. Perfect. This is a back arrow. Okay. Back cookie. Okay. And then you are going to be using another screen. You can simply just duplicate this screen. Okay. And make the ID of the screen as I have written about cake. So I'm going to be writing here screen cake, and then renaming this arrow as back. You could say cake. And then in ingredients area, I'm going to be all-purpose flour is right, chocolate chips are right. We don't want butter. Okay. We don't want butter and chocolate chips also. Sugar, salt as well. We don't want salt. Sugar and oil, egg, and baking powder. Baking powder. And what else? All-purpose flour, sugar, oil, eggs, baking powder, and milk. And milk. That's it. And then I'm going to be making its color as robot. Okay. And then again duplicate the screen and the recipe of sandwich. So I'm going to be making the ID of these arrows as back. You could say back sandwich or sand, like you can say. Okay. Then what I'm going to be doing is go to the backdrop or the background and screen and rename it as a screen sandwich or anyone you want. Okay. Then you're going to be making its ingredients in the right quantity. So not a quantity, but you could say that its ingredients. So 2 bread slice, bread slice, and then okay, so bread slice and vegetables, veggies, you could say. Vegetables, vegetables, and then you could say sauces, mayo, or and then ketchup, tomato ketchup, anyone you want. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. Works and meat or that meat. And then you are going to be making a screen color as coral reef or mint chip. I think I should do this as cherry vanilla. Okay, delete this one. So now let's do the coding for it. It's a very easy coding. Now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be using an if-else boolean block. Okay, so for this block, what we're going to be doing is that you can use this block to make our app more interesting than using all of the blocks in the on event and set screen area. Okay, so let's try this one today. So what are we going to be doing? So what are we going to be doing is if the radio if this radio is checked, let me see which one we want. If radio cook, then we copy here, copy. If radio cook and paste by then what we're going to be doing if get checked radio cookie, then what it is going to be doing, it's going to set screen to the cookie screen. Okay, and else if what it do, else if the get checked else if this is get checked, which one, this cake, radio cake, radio cake, let me type it here. Yeah, then what it will do, it will set screen to screen cake, and else it will set screen to sandwich screen. Okay, so you see how easy this coding is. Instead you're going to be using this one and set screen block. You just have to make this boolean concept clear on you. Okay, so then what we're going to be doing is making the code for that arrow. So just go to the boolean section, the control section, and choose this one again. Okay, so not this one. Now you're going to be using the on event one. Okay, because we don't have any conditions, so that's why we are going to be using this one. Okay, So when a sandwich and a back cake as well as back cookie is clicked, then they will set screen to the main screen. The main screen, and at the top, what it will do, it will set screen to the main screen, because before this, all of the code is going to be working. Our set screen code is going to be working the first of all, okay? Because before we start our project, this screen should be the presentation. Okay, this should be the first screen so that the user can choose any recipe. Okay, so yeah, I want cookie. What's not doing? Let me refresh it. Okay, you can also experiment this if else. So I was telling you that you can also experiment with this if else one. Okay, mine is not working, so that's why I'm using my old way. Okay, so you can also you can use that also. Okay, um picking this one. um so let's see our project, it is working or not. Yeah, now it's working. Simple. So hope you have learned this project very easily. The Articale App. Now you have learned how to make an Articale App or PDF app. You can also do that. Okay, so the main thing is here is the radio button. It's designing this project to designing and the Boolean concept that we have learned. Okay, so hope you have learned in this project. Hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.